You know that everyone in the whole world is suffering due to this novel coronavirus. For saving our life, scientists and researchers are trying to produce vaccines as well as antiviral drugs, but they are not quite sure how much it will protect us from this awful pandemic. Hey everyone, my name is Prashanti. Today, I put this antiviral drug as my today's topic because it is viral in social media. Please like and subscribe my channel and also share my videos for motivating me to make more videos. Favipiravir is an antiviral drug that has a general positive outlook all across the world, thanks to its effectiveness against the RNA-based influenza virus. The drug has been approved for use against COVID-19 not just in India but also in Russia and parts of the Middle East. Previously, on the 22nd of June 2020, Glenmark won an approval from the DGCI to treat COVID-19 patients using the same antiviral drug, Favipiravir, under the name FabiFlu. This approval has been based on clinical evidence demonstrating promising results by the drug, resulting in patients with mild to moderate COVID-19 infections responding positively to the treatment. Apart from Favipiravir, another popular antiviral drug that has been approved for treatment for COVID-19 patients is remdesivir. Unlike Favipiravir, which has been recommended for mild to moderately infected patients, remdesivir has been approved to be administered to COVID-19 patients on oxygen support, that is, severely affected by the disease. Licenses have been provided to manufacture and distribute remdesivir and Favipiravir because more. Controlled trials of 100 to 200 people had showcased positive results. Everything seemed okay, which is why the DGCI had approved the distribution of these drugs. In a way, administering Favipiravir and remdesivir to affected patients across countries is a seemingly huge trial being held. Favipiravir is an antiviral medication that is commonly used in Japan for the treatment of influenza. It is classified as a furazine carboxamide chemically and selectively inhibits the influenza viral RNA-dependent RNA polymerase. It was discovered by Toyoma Chemical Company Limited, a Japanese chemical manufacturing company. While the chemical was initially approved for therapeutic use against resistant strains of the influenza virus, there is a huge margin for the drug to plant its presence against fighting SARS-CoV-2, the novel strain of virus responsible for the COVID-19 pandemic. Apart from influenza and COVID-19, Favipiravir has also been investigated for treating other life-threatening pathogens, including the Ebola and Lassa viruses. The Drug Controller General of India has approved the use of Favipiravir, an antiviral drug commonly used for treating influenza for the treatment of mild to moderate cases of COVID-19 in India. the drug regulator has also granted the license to manufacture and export this drug to Bio India Pharmaceuticals, a Hyderabad-based medicine and medical equipment manufacturing organization. Other Indian drug makers developing or selling Favipiravir include Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited, Cipla Limited, privately held Brinton Pharma and Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited. Even as doctors are divided over the benefits of Favipiravir for mild to moderate COVID-19 patients, a slew of generic launches is expected to intensify a price war that has already begun. Glenmark Pharma, which was the first to receive regulatory approval for Favipiravir last month, has cut the price per tablet. At least 5 other Favipiravir brands are expected to enter the market in the next few days. Hetero Pharma became the third company to launch its generic version of Favipiravir called Favivir. Earlier this week, Mumbai-based Glenmark Pharma launched the cheapest brand so far, Favivent. However, an intense price war and more players entering the market could limit the market. Heavyweight Cipla will be launching Ciplenza in the first week of August. The company has indicated supply will be through hospital channels and open channels and prioritized for COVID-19 high burden regions. The drug has been jointly developed by Cipla and CSIR, Indian Institute of Chemical Technology, IICT, and entire process and API of the drug has been transferred to Cipla. Among others, Dr. Reddy's Labs and Strides, who have licensed the drug from China's Fujifilm, are awaiting clearances for market launch. Sun Pharma will be launching its brand Flugatron. A vaccine is not to be expected until May or June 2021, say a lot of experts. This on top of other regulations, production processes, licensing and testing is expected to take a year's worth of time starting now. Until then, keep yourself safe. So this is the end of my today's discussion. I hope you enjoy my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and also share my videos for motivating me to make more videos. Thanks for watching this video and also watch my previous videos.